Tired of messy financial reports that don't show where your money's going? Learn to set up tracking categories in Xero in under 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to track profitability by department, project, or even location, having the right setup makes all the difference. Without it, you're just guessing. But after this video, you'll be able to segment every transaction clearly and get reports that actually tell you something useful. We'll walk through the exact steps to add and configure tracking categories, from logging in to saving your first category. All right, let's dive in.
Start by logging into your Xero account. Go ahead and enter your credentials and get yourself onto the main dashboard. This is where everything begins, so take a moment to orient yourself. Now, once you're in, look at the top menu bar. You're going to click on the Accounting menu. It's right there between Dashboard and Reports. Just give it a click. From that drop-down that appears, select Accounting Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes setup happens. It might feel like a lot of options, but we're only going to focus on one thing.
Scroll down the page until you see the Accounting section. It's usually about halfway down, right after Invoices and Bills. You'll know you're in the right spot when you see the word Accounting in bold. Now, click on Tracking Categories. This opens up the main setup page for exactly what we need. If you've never been here before, it might look empty. That's totally fine. Go ahead and click the Add Tracking Category button. It's a blue button in the top right corner. This is where you start building your custom tracking structure. Give your category a clear name.
Something like department, or project, or location. Whatever makes sense for how you want to slice and dice your financial data. Be specific here. The name is what will show up everywhere when you're coding transactions later. Now enter the first tracking option. This is the first value inside your category. So if your category is department, your first option might be sales, or marketing, or operations. Pick one that makes sense for your business. Continue adding all the options you need. So for department, you might add sales, then marketing, then operations, then HR.
Each option represents a specific slice of your business you want to track. Use the Add Another Item button to create more options. It's a small link right below the last option you entered. Just click it and a new blank field appears. Keep going until you have every department or project or location listed. Now, before you save anything, double-check your tracking category name and all the options you've added. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and makes sense. This is one of those moments where a small typo can cause confusion down the line.
And honestly, I've seen people forget to add a key department and then have to come back and edit later, so take an extra 10 seconds here. Finally, click Save to activate your tracking category. That's it. Your category is now live and ready to use. The next time you create an invoice, a bill, or a bank transaction, you'll see a field asking you to assign it to a specific department or project or location. That's the power of tracking categories. And here's the thing I really want you to remember. This setup is what turns your messy financial data into something you can actually use. Instead of guessing which department is overspending, you'll have a clean report that shows exactly where every dollar went. That's the kind of control that makes running your business so much easier. So from here, you can add more categories if you need them. Maybe you want to track both department and project, or location and customer type. Just repeat the same process for each new category. You've now got a solid foundation for better financial reporting. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical Xero tips. And as always, happy tracking!